Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see 10 most important shortcut keys for accessing YouTube. I am damn sure it will be useful for you. Okay. So before get into this video, please subscribe. And at the end of the video, if you like this, please click do like. Okay. Thank you. Let's get started. And I am just opening some video. Okay. So I'm just opening one song for showing you the shortcuts how it's working. Okay, so in order to make you clear, I'm just making it as mute. Okay, so first key is K. If you press K, automatically it gets pass. Again, if you want to make it play, click again K. So this is the first key. The second key is J. If you press J, then it's backwarding for 10 seconds. Then the third key is L. Okay, so if you press L, then it's 2. If I'm pressing 2, see 54 seconds, it's just playing. Okay, if I'm press shift N, okay, so it's going to play the next video. Okay, so since the next video starts with advertisement, it's just showing the advertisement. Okay, then next one is space bar. Okay, space bar. If you are in a home page, if I am in a home page, if you want to move further, okay, right, click space bar. Okay, so it's just scroll down one page in the YouTube feed. Okay, so the next one is about shift space bar. It's just scroll up one page in the YouTube feed. Okay, then if your video is about any series, okay, then if you want to navigate through video chapters, you can use arrow keys. So for that, I am opening a video which contains a series. Okay, so Java series, so Java chapters. Okay, so I'm just clicking Java chapters. See here, this particular video contains so many chapters. Okay, so we can skip this advertisement. Okay, see here, so many chapters it contains. Okay, if you want to move next chapter, you just click right arrow. Okay, see here, next chapter it's moved. Okay, press again right arrow, it's moved to what is it, next chapter. Okay, move further. Okay, okay, so that's all friends. So today we have learned 10 important and useful shortcuts keys for accessing the YouTube. I hope it's useful for you. Okay, so please subscribe and do like. Okay, thank you.